Alright, so I've been having issues with my Falcon wing. As you can see, it's not really closing all the way. Basically what had happened was I went to lock my car. The Falcon wing was open. The front door was closed. I tapped it once. The door appeared to close. And then the music stayed on and it beeped 4 times. So that's telling me that a sensor or something is not telling it that this is closed or that there's an obstruction. And then, so when I went to go hit it one more time, see, it's not closing. And then 4 beeps. Okay, let's open it one more time. Okay, close. So 3 beeps. Maybe that's just saying that this is close, but that doesn't make sense. Because it usually, when I lock it like that, I'll hit it one more time. See, it's saying that there's something wrong with this door. I'll open it again. All right. Try it one more time. There. That's how it's supposed to shut. But I've been having this little routine where it's having hissy fits and does not want to lock. So that's what needs to be fixed. That's the first time that's ever happened. Let's look at, we are at 34,364 miles. And yeah, so that's what's been happening with my left Falcon wing. I don't use it very often, so this could have probably popped up a long time ago had I used it, but I open these maybe every other month, maybe. All right, well, that's a quick update on my Falcon wing. I'm going to take it into Tesla and see what they have to say.